Okay, so what we have here is a Longwood dual fuel. It's called a long burner. You can put long logs in there, and it's got this. This is an oil burner. That's a squirrel fan. That's the oil burner. And then there's also this. This works too. If I close the switch on top, was that a thermostat? I think it's just to draw out the exhaust from the fire if you're burning logs. The squirrel fan here, that's the circulation fan. Seems to be cycling on and off by itself. Don't know why. There you go. Didn't do anything. I didn't touch anything. And it'll cycle on again in a while. But all the major elements are working. The burner, the circulation fan, and this exhaust unit here. I think that's the chimney going up. And then these ducts are for the hot air. Yeah, see? The question is why isn't it working? The homeowner said, or my neighbour, he said they had some guys out to look at it and they wanted $25,000 to give them heat. As far as I can tell, all the major elements are working. So, is it a controller issue? This thing? Because I can close this and turn the burner on. And what are these two wires? I don't know. There's no electricity on them, as far as I can tell. This looks like an old style controller. That doesn't do anything. We don't know where the problem is. Well, just stick this thing right behind here. Okay, that's enough for now.